All right, so 1st of February, I would like to report that I finally got the storage service working with the application and the roles and all of that came before it. Today, I managed to list a file on the dashboard. I can't preview it, right? But I did set up the CLI to create downloadable links, which I'm now going to show you here. I have this command that I use to upload the people, and now I want to create a link for it. So I go into files and then I do, I think it's, let me check my actual CLI here. Okay, it is just create link, because sometimes I tend to change the names of things and I forget. Okay, so we create the link and then we supply the key of the file. So not of the storage key, but of the file of the database where I'm storing file as an abstract concept, which will then resolve the storage key, which is also a random GUID automatically. A little bit of a detour for the application, but I'm fine with disconnecting the two. So when I run this command, it will ask my MinIO to actually create a link for the, to create and assign a link to access the particular file. You can see here I'm going to do HTTP because I didn't set up the HTTPS for local hosting. But there you go. So that's the people. And then on the web interface, when I refresh, I have a list of files inside of the database. And there you go. Now if I go into the page here, and I just sort of replace that with the storage key. I'll just do the storage ID here. No, sorry, file ID. I think it's the external ID that I provide. And I gotta reset the web application, 1 second. Okay, so here you can see this is the key I provide inside of the CLI. It ends with 372. If I go up here, you can see that I also provide 372. So the actual external ID of the file is this one, which I then supply to the service, which will resolve the ID of the actual file on the storage server and provides the temporary access to it depending on how long I want the access to be. And you get the AMZ signature here to protect that. So I can now directly host the files from the website and get access to the storage server. And because on Hetzner I've set up a reverse proxy to the Hetzner bucket on the production server, I can now access it under cdn.endelon.com.